session will be divided into two parts. The first part is we'll brush up Bloom's taxonomy, okay? What kind of questions, how we can frame questions. Then the second part, which is a little smaller part, you will be going through your blueprints, which I'll be giving you the hard copies. Let's brush up a little bit on that. I'll give you a minute to just go through the first para, okay? It says what is Bloom's taxonomy, when it was started, and what exactly are the 6 levels of learning. The child has to go in the same order. For example, without gaining knowledge, a child cannot understand. Without understanding, child cannot apply. Without applying, the child cannot analyze. Okay? So, without doing the first step, child cannot go to the next step. We start with knowledge. We take the child up to evaluation and creation. Now, what is the difference between remembering and understanding? Basically, what is the difference between knowledge and understanding? Is it possible? I have knowledge of something, but I don't actually understand it. Is that possible? Yes, that is very much possible. So, once I acquire the knowledge, I need to go deeper to understand the process also. So, here is where we describe something to the child, explain something to the child. Okay? When will I say that child is able to apply this knowledge of photosynthesis somewhere? So, application is basically where trial and errors happen. Okay, where the thought process goes towards in what other scenarios, in what other cases can I apply this knowledge, and then child will arrive at some kind of conclusion that okay, these are the situations in which I can apply, these are the situations in which I cannot apply. Okay, and what would you call that when the child comes to that kind of conclusion? So we see that each concept when we take, everything is interrelated, nothing is independent by itself. How do you make a child analyze when it comes to photosynthesis? It's a general thing, not only science teachers, anybody can contribute. Creative activity in this particular concept. What you said, that example, it is basically the child does the procedure, observes, analyzes and concludes to find out, to experiment. Because the process is trying to create something new. But maybe the outcome is not. Take any topic and try to give me one question which is of application level, which you can ask the children. Why did Ram go to school that day? For example, that is in the story. Child knows the story, child remembers the story. So why did Ram go to school can become a remembering question. He is not analyzing anything, he knows the story, so probably he can write the same thing. There will always be some grey area.